New challenge, tell your dog just one command, fetch. And look what happens.
Are you looking for a shoe? What about this?
Not so fast, slow down.
Another one. I'm coming. Look here. Am I good?
You are the best dog ever.
You forgot the trash. Is that okay? If that's not my best choice. And on we go. Did I tell you I love this? And the next. How about this color? Almost done.
Parrots need exercise too. Visit my Etsy shop. I shop on Etsy for species-appropriate parrot toys. Link in description. You can donate with every purchase. Thanks for watching.